Hi everyone, today I'm doing a review of the Champion Full Lace hair system from Lordhair. So every hair system you get from Lordhair comes with a load of information how to look after the hair, and it comes beautifully boxed in a snap box, and it's bagged up, and it would usually sit on top of these. Really cute. Okay, so this is a full French lace hair system. It is a flesh colour on the base, and it's lace, so it looks like it's growing straight out of your head, which is always really good. So some information about this hair system: it is a full French lace base, it is medium light in density, it is a 30mm curl and wave, it is 7 by 9, obviously mine's been cut to size. It is a freestyle in the hair direction, and it is a breathable and undetectable hair system, basically meaning it looks natural, like it's growing from your head. So if I can quickly let's just get a piece up here. I don't know if you can see the lace, but it's a natural, so it looks like it is growing from your head. That's the great thing about having a lace system, is it is like if you've never seen a lace system before, I'll show you in a little while. It is like a mesh material, so it looks like it is growing directly from your head, which is really great when it's not really growing from your head. So I got shade 22, which is a dark kind of blonde. As you can see, looking at this now, it's not a 22. I did colour it to lighten it up a little bit. You shouldn't really colour your hair systems because they can damage the base. I think it may have caused a little bit of damage to the base because it did shed a little, but I think it's okay because it has now stopped, and it's been cut. It was, I think it's about 5 or 6 inches when it arrives. It's now been cut to this length. So I think the shedding has stopped now, but it was just way too dark for me. That's not my colour at all, but they don't do anything lighter in this system, so I had to colour it because that colour just looks hideous on me. But I think it's okay now. I think I saved it, and I think I've got it to a nice kind of silvery blonde. It's a little bit purple. I left my shampoo on a little bit too long, my blue shampoo, but I think it's a really nice colour now. So the hair is very soft, it's very nice, it's lightweight, it doesn't feel heavy on your head because it's lace, it's more breathable, so it does feel a little bit lighter on your head, and you can breathe through it. Like if you have a skin-based system, you can get a little bit more hot with them because they are a bit more plasticky. This is lace, so I'm going to quickly just take this off, and I'm going to show you how it looks off my head. Show you quickly up close the lace. As you can see, it's a mesh material, so it's got tiny little hose. So that's what makes it more breathable. And the paint has come off my clips, by the way. That happened very fast, I've noticed this time, which is not really a big deal, it doesn't bother me too much, but it did happen very quickly. You see the knots? So cool. Now, as you could just saw from that clip, I do have clips on my hair system. I have clips put onto mine because I do have real hair. My hair is quite thin underneath this, so I like a hair system because I just don't like my real hair. It's just so thin. I'm not happy with it. So this is why I go for the hair systems. I've been using Lordhair for, I'm not too sure now, this past year I think. I've had a few systems from them now. I think my first one was a skin-based system. That review is somewhere on their YouTube channel, and this is my second system from Lordhair. This is the full lace one, and the first one I got was a full skin base. Just to show you the difference, here is a skin based system. You see it's a little bit more plasticky, looks quite different, feels different. This is much more breathable, and this is a little bit harder to, it's not hard to wear, but it is a little bit, you get a bit hotter in it because obviously of the material, where this has hose, so any heat can go through the hose and you don't get as hot. Now this does come in a bunch of different shades. It is of course customizable. You can have the clips put on like I do. You can actually have it cut as well. You can have the hair actually cut by Lordhair if you give them the details of the style and the cut that you want. You can have the base cut to size. I always have the base cut size because I have no clue how to do it, and I should know how to do it really because I do wear them, but I don't know and I'm afraid to ruin them, so I let Lordhair do that for me. They cut the base to size and they add the clips, and then I have it cut by my hairdresser when it lands on my doorstep. Now it is human hair, so of course you can cut it, you can colour it, you can style it, you can add heat and all those fun things. Bear in mind, obviously, it's not, if you damage the hair, it's not going to grow back. So be careful when it comes to dyeing it. Of course, you know me, I always dye my hair systems, and it did cause a little bit of damage, but it's okay now. But do just please be careful because they are expensive and it's not going to grow back if you ruin it. But they are human hair, so you can colour them, and you can use heat, so you can straighten it, you can curl it, you can do pretty much anything you want to it. Anything you would do to your real hair, you can pretty much do to this. Just be careful with the colour. Now, I would recommend this hair system if you like lace. I would recommend this hair system if you like something a bit more breathable. Like I mentioned, the skin base is not as breathable. And I would recommend this hair if you like nice, soft hair. Mine does look a little bit dry because it has been coloured a few times, and I've got a lot of hairspray in, so you can hear that crackle. Can you probably hear that like crackly noise? That's because I've got so much hairspray on my hair today because I was out. It was quite windy today. It stayed on perfectly fine. I didn't glue it down like you can glue down the front. I didn't bother doing that today. It stayed on. The clips are quite secure to my head. I put a little bit of hairspray in my real hair, and then I clip the system in and it stays put. If I want a little bit more secure, then I will glue down the front with a wig glue. But it stayed on pretty well during the wind, so I'm pretty happy with it. I've worn it a couple of times now. I've been really busy lately, so I've not even had time to like get ready and do my hair. I've been working so much, I've just had no time. So yeah, I'm finally getting to wear this after about a month. It took a while to get it cut and then I had to colour it. But yeah, all in all, I'm pretty impressed with it. I think it's nice. I think the quality of the hair is nice. Now, there isn't really that much more I can say about it. I like the hair quality, it's nice. The price is okay. I'm pretty happy with the hair. I think it's nice, the quality's decent. It looks a bit messy today because I've been out in the wind. But yeah. Here's a little close up. And yeah. So thank you for watching, and until my next review, I shall see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.